Deep squat might not sound like an anti-aging secret, but it's the one movement that can keep you young. Yet most people avoid it completely. When you do it correctly and consistently, it becomes a powerful tool. A tool most people never use. Think for a moment and picture a toddler playing. They drop into a deep squat effortlessly to pick up a toy. Perfect posture, no hesitation. That's the beauty of natural movement. The human body was designed to move like that. But somewhere along the way, we lose it. By 40, 50, or 60, most people avoid deep squatting entirely. Knee pain and tight hips become the common excuses. People say they can't get that low anymore. But the real reason is something else. Years of sitting and slouching slowly shut down the muscles that allow this movement. Lower body strength fades without us noticing. These are the very muscles that keep us youthful. And their weakness speeds up aging. The truth is that the deep squat isn't dangerous. Losing the ability to squat is. When you lose the deep squat, your body starts compensating. You begin to use your hands just to stand up. You bend from your back instead of your hips. Your steps become shorter and more careful. Soon it's no longer just about movement. It becomes an issue of independence. But the deep squat changes everything. When done properly, it activates your entire body. Your glutes, quads, hamstrings, calves, and core all switch on. Your whole lower body wakes up. It stretches your hips, knees, and ankles. Even your spine gets gently activated. Balance, control, and coordination all improve through this single movement. It's like giving your body a natural reset. That's why it's the #1 anti-aging exercise. It restores your body's original blueprint. Deep squats bring back the full range of motion in your hips, knees, and ankles. Your movement becomes smoother and more comfortable. Sitting feels easier, and stiffness drops. It becomes the foundation of your mobility. Nearly half your body gets trained in one squat. This directly fights age-related muscle loss. As we age, muscles shrink naturally. Squats help rebuild and protect them. Your balance and coordination improve significantly. This reduces fall risk dramatically. Falls are one of the biggest dangers of aging. Squats help keep that danger away. People think squats ruin the knees, but truthfully, proper squats protect them. They strengthen the muscles that stabilize your joints, and they give your knees real support. Squats deeply engage your core. This helps keep your spine stable. They even prevent the forward hunch many people develop with age. Your posture stays upright. Holding a deep squat for just 30 seconds boosts blood flow. Circulation improves instantly in the lower body. The abdominal area decompresses. Even digestion gets a little boost. Think of it as brushing your teeth, but for your joints and muscles. Skip it for a few days and you feel stiff. Ignore it for years and you lose function. Practice it daily and you age better. Movement becomes effortless again. And no, you don't need a gym. You don't need weights either. You can start right at home. Simply stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Keep your chest up and your back straight. Lower yourself slowly, as if sitting between your heels. If you can't go all the way down at first, don't worry. Just go as low as you can with good form. Hold the position and breathe deeply. Then stand back up with control. Start with 5 to 10 reps, or hold the deep squat for 30 to 60 seconds. Use support if you need it. Your body will adapt quickly. Within weeks, getting off the floor becomes easier. Your back feels less strained. Lifting groceries won't bother you. Everyday tasks feel lighter. Playing with kids or grandkids becomes easy again. Your body feels agile. The deep squat isn't just an exercise, it's a blueprint for lifelong movement. But 99% of people ignore it and slowly lose their mobility. Don't be one of them. Restore your ability while you still can. Deep squats wake up your body. Hips and ankles begin to unlock. Your spine finds its natural alignment again. You feel more upright. Each rep builds strength. Each hold builds stability. It makes you strong for real life. Functional strength is the true anti-aging weapon. Squats improve oxygen flow to the muscles. Your circulation stays better all day. Your joints stay hydrated. Your connective tissues become more resilient. All of this slows down aging. Your body starts functioning younger. And the best part is that it's natural. Your body isn't forced into anything unnatural. The more you practice, the smoother the movement becomes. Pain starts fading away naturally. Even your walking changes. Your steps become longer and more fluid. Standing from a chair feels effortless. Sitting on the floor becomes natural again. Daily life becomes easier. Functional freedom returns. Deep squats are safe at any age, as long as you use proper form and slow progression. If you're a beginner, elevating your heels helps. It makes depth easier. Wall support can also help. Balance improves quickly with practice. Your body can adapt at any age. Mobility can always be restored. Your nervous system relearns the pattern. Motor control becomes stronger. Your muscles become smarter. Movement becomes predictable and stable. Deep squats also fire up your metabolism because they engage the biggest muscle groups. That naturally increases calorie burn and helps support fat loss as well. But the biggest benefit is function, which is the most valuable thing as you age. It improves the quality of your life. Movement becomes easy and enjoyable again. You feel more confident. You feel in control of your body again. The deep squat protects your independence. It's a long-term freedom exercise. Even 1 minute a day can create massive changes. Your body feels better each week. Strength, mobility, and stability all return together. A rare and powerful combination. The more you practice, the more natural it feels. Just like it did when you were a child. Your body remembers the movement. Old instincts start to return. You begin to feel younger. Your body feels lighter and more responsive. The deep squat doesn't reverse aging, but it slows it dramatically and gives you functional strength back. You just need to make a little room for it in your routine. Consistency changes everything. Make this movement a part of your life. It is truly an investment in your future. Bring back the squat and bring back your strength. Bring back your mobility and age the way you were designed to. Upright, strong, and unstoppable.